In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dark mode in Yahoo Mail. If you spend a lot of time in your inbox, switching to a darker theme can make reading more comfortable, especially at night, and it can help reduce eye strain from bright screens. We'll keep this simple and stick to exactly what you need to do inside Yahoo Mail settings. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Yahoo Mail in a web browser. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right area of the page. Click on More to open the expanded menu, and then choose Settings. This takes you to the main configuration panel where Yahoo groups the options that control how your mailbox looks and behaves. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Appearance. Go ahead and open it. This is where Yahoo Mail lets you customize the visual style of your inbox. Look for the dark mode option. It may be presented as a toggle or a simple on-off choice. Turn dark mode on. The change applies immediately, so you should see your background shift to a deep dark color and your text switch to a lighter tone. The contrast is designed to be easy on the eyes while keeping everything readable. A couple of quick notes to help you get the best results. Dark mode usually affects your mailbox list, folders, and reading pane. It won't alter the actual content of emails that use their own colors or embedded images, but it will still frame those messages inside a darker interface. Depending on your version of Yahoo Mail, you might also see options related to themes or accents. You can keep things simple by just using dark mode or explore those visual touches without changing the main setting you just enabled. If the screen doesn't change right away, give it a moment or try clicking back to your inbox to refresh the view. Yahoo Mail typically remembers your preference, so the next time you sign in on the same browser, your inbox should remain in dark mode. If you happen to check Mail on another device or browser, you may want to visit settings there as well and confirm the appearance choice. And that's it. To go back to a light interface at any time, return to settings, open appearance, and turn dark mode off. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the calmer, easier on the eyes experience in Yahoo Mail.